This video will show you how to use the training site and how to complete the training in the InnerWeb system. To add a new manager or employee to the contractor company, click the green button while filling out the work permit form. After entering the data, click Confirm. The new employee will receive a message at the provided email address. The message contains a link to the training courses required to carry out the assignment. Below, you can proceed to set a password or view directions to the company. Click Confirm to start the training. After clicking the button, you will be redirected to a page where you can review the training materials. On the server, video fast forwarding is initially enabled for testing purposes. Ultimately, this option is disabled so every employee watches the entire video. After watching the video, click Start the exam. After each training module, answer the control questions related to the material. The passing threshold depends on the test settings. Next, click this button to see your result. After passing the exam, you can proceed to the next training module. In the case of presentations, you can move slides forward or backward using the navigation buttons at the bottom of the page. Answer the control questions again. Finally, review the occupational risk assessment for the specific job you will be performing. Then confirm that you have reviewed the content. Click End Session to finish the training and proceed to the assignment. After completing the training and passing the control questions successfully, you will be automatically added to the assignment and redirected to the application with a confirmation of joining the work. Click the logo to return to the home page. Now, as a manager, you can invite employees to the assignment. If they haven't completed the training yet, an invitation will be sent to their email address. The new employee will need to complete the same training and pass the control questions for each part of the training to be eligible to join the work. After successfully completing the training, the employee will be automatically added to the job and receive confirmation of joining. If you want to join a permit but your qualifications have expired, or additional training is required for the next assignment, you will receive an invitation to the appropriate training after clicking Join. Click this button to join the job. After reviewing the hazards, click Join again. After joining a job without training, you will receive an email with a training invitation. Click I confirm to begin the training.